Feeling like I wanna leave this town. You promised that you had never let me down. I know that you trust no one, and I thought that was the only one. Don't try it, 'cause I'm really tired. I got no more fire. Don't try to ignite it. Don't fight it, 'cause I am not sorry. Don't stay right beside me. I'll be fine, don't worry. Tell me now, what do you need? Except for all you had that you could not keep. Tell me please, how can I trust you too?